and welcome back to my channel. So today is Disney's 50th anniversary. Today I am at Animal Kingdom for the morning, and then once park hopping starts, I'm gonna be park hopping over to Magic Kingdom, which you'll be seeing in the next vlog. So I have a little bit of stuff that I want to do today, obviously. There is a new show called the Kite Tales, which is like a show with like kites. The first showing I think is at 11 o'clock, and right now currently it's 10:04. So I want to go on the safari. Currently the wait times are really low. Last time I checked, the wait times are really short right now. I have this thing on the little pole thing trying to hold my phone. Currently Flight of Passage is 20 minutes and Navi is 35. Safari is 10 minutes. Cali is 5 minutes. Everest is currently down. The Triceratops spin is 5 minutes. Dinosaur is 5 minutes. And Tuskegee Bug is 10 minutes. So I am wanting, the lighting, I'm wanting to go over to the safari and do that first, and then I will get my seat for the new Kite Tales that is happening where Rivers of Light used to be. It's just a daytime show with kites, and I heard that it's okay, but I do want to experience it myself. They were having a soft opening for like the past 2 days, but I didn't get to see it because I planned on seeing it today. So that's what I'm doing. Also, they do have new maps. So I did grab an Animal Kingdom map. This is it. You can see that it's the Tree of Life at night, and with the whole like magical celebration thing. They do have like a whole bunch of like new information. So they do have like the Kite Tales, the new Beacon of Magic, a nighttime fall night. Oh, can I read? No. At nightfall, magical fireflies gather to produce a warm and glorious light on the Tree of Life, calling forth the iridescent magic of nature available throughout the nights. And then they have like even more magic, like 50th celebration stuff, like food, just like different experiences. And then you of course have like, they have like specialty food and beverages, merchandise, and you know, like the 50th statues. So that's kind of like, they have like new stuff in the guide map. I'm not gonna be using it. I just want it to like keep for like memorabilia. Yeah, so I'm gonna be heading over now to the safari, but that was a little bit of like an update for like the 50th here at Animal Kingdom. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna head over to the safari now. I was supposed to rope drop Animal Kingdom, but I never did because I woke up too late. So I wanted to do a morning time safari. It's kind of still morning. It's 10 o'clock, so yeah. I can't wait to see these cute little animals on the safari. Okay, safari was 10 minutes, but it just went down to 5 minutes, but a bunch of people are now going in, so the wait times are probably gonna be higher. Yeah.
And quiet animals. Difficult to spot if they're not out in the open. Hanging out with the bongos, there's some greater kudu. They're a lighter brown antelope. They don't have any horns. Animals, which is why they often hang out by themselves in the savannah. A lot closer to us, there's some Ankoli cattle with a food source. They're a sign of wealth, and they can even be used as currency. The large, they'd be really heavy, right? Actually not. They're pretty much hollow inside, full of air pockets and blood vessels. A day, just eating. That doesn't leave room for much else. So they'll sleep about 30 minutes a day out in the wild. And if you look way in the back by the trees, you can see Papa Giraffe back there. He's the tallest one. I think we can all recognize these Hartman's mountain zebras here on the right. We'll get close to them in just a moment. Hanging out with them, there's some white-eared wolves. Make sure you're staying seated, friends. Yep, thank you. Don't worry, we'll get close to some of these. This is a male elephant. There are 2 younger males on the reserve as well. Sometimes we'll see the 2 younger ones hanging out together in what's called a bachelor herd. Now, the male lions are responsible for keeping the pride safe and keeping their territory protected. The females are the ones that are responsible for the hunting in the pride. Now, the reason for that is the males have about 40 pounds hanging around their necks. That's a lot of hair to carry around. Now, during the day, they have very similar eyesight to us.
So I'm currently sitting for Kite Tails, but on the other side of the theater, they currently have some like 2 girl performers swinging their kites around. I don't know exactly, they look like birds, but there's nothing on my side yet. So.
Drummers, before Kite Tails officially takes flight, we'd like to add some extra fun to our Walt Disney World 50th anniversary celebration. Feel free to clap along and join in on the fun. All right, now, here we go. All right, now.
kites. Okay, so the very first show of today for Kite Tales just ended. It started around like 11:15. It's like 11. It ended like 11:30. Okay, my review of the show. It's a cute show, but it's not anything like spectacular. It's not like, oh my gosh, it's like amazing. Like, it's a cute little kite show, like, but it's not, I feel like personally it's not something that I would like go out of my way to see. I honestly, for being the 50th anniversary, I thought it would be something more like spectacular, like a more of like a shebang, you know? It's not like something where I'm like, oh my gosh, like I have to see this show. It's like, it's a cute show, but it's not something I would go to my way, on my way to like watch anything. So yeah, like rating wise, I'd probably get a 6 out of 10. It's an okay show. It's not like something like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Yeah, so I kind of was confused about the whole story. I don't know if there was even like a storyline to begin with. I just saw Baloo and then this other monkey at the very end. I don't know who that was. With Baloo there was like this little cactus thing. I know there was like there was elephants, and then the second one where there was like a lot of those thingies. I don't know what was on the kites because I couldn't really tell, but I know the first one, like with a lot of them were like elephants. Yeah, so that's my review of Kite Tales. It's a cute show, but it's not something that I would go to my way to watch. Yeah, but it's just a daytime show. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna go do now. Everest was down, but now it's up and running. I'm kind of hungry, so I might get lunch. So I don't know what I'll get. I probably will get lunch and then ride a ride and then figure out what I'm gonna do next. So yeah. Okay, so I originally was just going to get the kids meal, which comes with 4 pieces instead of 8. The kids meal is $9.49 and the adult meal is $9.99. And so I was like, for 4 more pieces, why not like, you know, like, I was like, okay, I don't know, I feel like it'd be more worth it to do the adult meal and get 4 more pieces than the kids meal. So yeah. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's vlog. So I know it was a short kind of vlog, but I'm heading over to Magic Kingdom now to go do that one. But if you guys did enjoy today's vlog, make sure you give us a big old thumbs up. subscribe down below to see more of me, and if you enjoy my content, and hit that little bell button and subscribe button to be notified whenever I do post a new video. And comment down below, comment down below what you want. I can't think of anything. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!